As you know, we are doing our best to make sure that you know what you need to know about coronavirus.
Still, it may seem like there is a heightened sense of fear of the unknown with this crisis. And at your side, Stephanie Harris talked with a medical expert about what we really need to know and worry about and when. Steph?
Tom and Anita, over the last 24 hours, we've seen colleges closed and games canceled. It just keeps coming. A lot of you are shaking your heads, asking why? Is all of this really necessary when most people who have become ill with coronavirus recover? I sat down with a public health expert from EVMS for some answers. College classes, sporting events, parades, all canceled. They call it social distancing, but is it too much?
I don't think that we've jumped the gun personally. I think anytime you enact preventive measures, it's for good cause.
Dr. Brian Martin is director of the Master of Public Health program at Eastern Virginia Medical School.
It is appropriate to be preventive and to be swift in our preventive measures.
The reasons? What he calls an explosion in the number of cases, the way we've seen it quickly spread in other countries, and the fact that we don't know how widespread it is here already.
We could be asymptomatic and have it right now. And not know it. We could have symptoms develop over the next 2 to 5 days.
Martin says colleges and other organizations are appropriately doing their part to control community spread. But each and every one of us has a responsibility.
Can you have parties with friends at your home? Of course you can, but you would expect your friends who aren't feeling well to call and say, I'm not feeling well, I'm not attending, the same way we would treat the flu, as a matter of fact.
He expects the next steps we'll see are people working from home. There's also the potential for what he calls drastic measures, such as we're seeing overseas and in Massachusetts, where large numbers of people have been put in quarantine and businesses have closed. So, how long might this last?
That is a good question, and I wish I had the answer to that, just like every other person does.
Right now, doctors are hoping that this will be a seasonal virus like the flu, which means things will be back to normal by summer. But since it is a new virus, no one can be sure. Stephanie Harris, 10 on your side.
Everybody's taking precautions. Thank you, Steph. Everything you need to know about coronavirus in Hampton Roads is on WAVY.com. In the special coronavirus section, we have a tally of states and the symptoms you need to remember. You can see all of our previous stories there as well.